Alright, congratulations, my friends. You just survived Earthquake, the big one. Whoa! Hey, did I trick you a little bit in the beginning there? Yeah, I got you in the first half. You should have seen your face. Oh, That attraction originally opened 36 years ago in 1989. It just reopened last year for our 60th anniversary at the studio tour. It was closed for some time, so we are excited that we finally got it back. Of course, based off of the movie of the same name from 1974, Earthquake, starring Charlton Heston, one of Universal's favorite movie stars. And hey, I didn't get to play this earlier. Let's take a closer look at Happy's Place with Reba McEntire.
Hey there, I'm Reba McEntire, and welcome